Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a first video on this, and I would thought, if you didn't watch part one, you might want to watch it, because I'm just hit the letter P and W, and it put it to the top of the text to path. So I made a hotkey W, and if you go under text and look text for path, it's a W. Well, I've got plenty of videos on there on how to make a hotkey, but I thought somebody maybe watch this one for the first time to want to know. Go to Tools, Option, Customization, go to Commands, and go to Text. And then inside here is going to be your text to path. And just go down to text to path, or to find it easier, just go here and go text to path, and it'll bring it up. And then go to shortcut keys, and I have a W. I'm going to erase that. So here's what you would have. You've got text to path, you hit shortcut keys. You could use any key that's not being used, but I'm going to use W because it's not being used. I'm going to assign it, I'm going to hit OK. So now if we go, text to path is W, and this will save you a lot of time if you ever have this situation where you can go P, W, and put it to the top. And also in the first video I stated, I've never thought about when you're doing something in the center. Normally, let's do this. Let's back up here. Normally, when you're using text to path, you're normally not working in the center. So when you go, I'm going to go W, and you see it changes something, it didn't know what it was doing. Let's select it all and go W, and it still put it in the center of the page. That's pretty impressive, even though it's not in the center of the page. Normally, when you do text to path, you grab your text, go to text, text to path, and then you have to put it on the tab path, and you have to kind of rotate it to get that red line so you know you're in the center. But because you're working in the center of the page, by hitting P, put everything in the center of the page, and then W, you've got it in the center. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.